Alright, so I'm just making this short video regarding the installation of a volume reducer in a version 3 Mancraft PDIK, because it seems like a good amount of people don't know how to do this. So basically I have mine already disassembled here. So normally you have the front end of the PDIK right here and the back end, and you have the tube that goes on. And normally this goes in, and on the front end you have the spring and the nozzle assembly. So basically to get it off, what you need is, because normally this is screwed into there, but it's a real pain in the ass to get off, because what you need to do is when you have the front end off, you kind of got to pull the spring back, and what you need to do is put a 9mm wrench on here, and then you have to also get a 7mm wrench in to get your brass nozzle piece mount off. I don't even know what the hell it's called. And it's a real pain in the ass. And once you get that off, you have this tube that comes right out the back after you remove the back tube. And this is actually where the volume reducer gets installed. So the front end actually comes off. I already have it loose here. If I can get it off. Give me a sec. There we go. So basically the front end of this tube comes off. Just like that, you have two O-rings there. Inside the tube is your volume reducer, right there. And that's where the volume reducer goes on a version 3 Mancraft PDIK. Just for those of you who didn't know, just to help you out. So, just fits right in that tube like that.